Hello friends, in our earlier lecture we studied about money market. Today we are going to study about instruments of money market. So let's start with definition. Money market instruments are those instruments which have a maturity period of less than 1 year. Geoffrey Crowther in his book An Outline of Money has stated money market is a collective name given to the various firms and institutions that deal with various grades of near money. Now, what is near money? We have studied in our earlier lecture. You can review my video for understanding of near money. And money market is reservoir of short-term funds. Characteristics of a developed money market. A developed commercial banking system, presence of a central bank, sub-markets, near money assets, availability of ample resources, integrated interest rate structure. These are main characteristics of a developed money market. Functions of money market. First, economic development. Money market assures supply of funds. Financing is done through discounting of the trade bills, commercial bank, acceptance house and brokers. Profitable investment. The excess reserve of commercial bank invested in near money assets, borrowing by the government, short-term funds at very low interest. Importance for central bank. If the money market is well developed, the central bank implements the monetary policy successfully. Mobilization of funds helps in transferring funds from one sector to another. Saving and investment. Encouraging saving and investment by promoting liquidity and safety of financial assets. Self-sufficiency of commercial banks. Commercial bank can meet their financial requirement by recalling some of their loans. Money market versus capital market. We will study the difference in a separate lecture. Money market instruments. Investment is money market is done through money market instruments. Money market instruments meet short-term requirement of the borrowers and provides liquidity to the lenders. The most active part of the money market is the market for overnight call and term money between banks and institutions and repo transactions. Now we start with instruments of money market. First, government securities, that is called G-Secs, issued by the government for raising a public loan or as notified in the official gazette. Maturity range from 2 to 30 years. Government security consists of government promissory notes, bearer bonds, stock or bonds, treasury bills or dated government securities. No default risk at the securities carry sovereign guarantee. Ample liquidity as the investor can sell the security in the secondary market. Second, money market at call and short notice. Money at call is a loan that is repayable on demand, and money at short notice is repayable within 14 days of serving a notice. Participants are bank and all other Indian financial institutions as permitted by Reserve Bank of India. Banks borrow call funds for a variety of reasons to maintain their CRR, cash reserve ratio, to meet their heavy payments, to adjust the maturity mismatch, etc. Third, treasury bills, short term up to 1 year, borrowing instrument of the Government of India, enable investors to park their short term surplus funds while reducing their market risk. Issued at a discount to face value, the return to the investor is the difference between the maturity value and issue price. RBI issues T-bill for 3 different maturities: 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Certificate of deposits. A CD is time deposit financial product commonly offered to consumers by banks. CDs are negotiable instrument. Financial institutions are allowed to issue CDs for a period between 1 year and up to 3 years. Normally give a higher return than bank term deposit and are rated by approved rating agencies. Commercial bills. Commercial bill is a short-term, negotiable and self-liquidating instrument with low risk. Written instrument containing an unconditioned order. Once the buyer signifies his acceptance on the bill itself, it becomes a legal document. It can be challenged in the court. Commercial bill is a short-term, negotiable and self-liquidating instrument with low risk. Commercial paper. Commercial paper is a money market security issued or sold by large banks and corporations to get money to meet short-term debt obligations. Commercial paper is usually sold at a discount from face value. Interest rates fluctuate with market conditions but are typically lower than the bank rates. Repurchase agreements. Repo or reverse repo are transaction or short-term loans in which two parties agree to sell and repurchase the same security. They are usually used for overnight borrowing. Repo or reverse repo transaction can be done only between the parties approved by RBI in RBI approved securities. Thank you so much for watching this video.